Hello there, this is Nick from TSPROF. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the Blitz frame from sharpener's Blitz and Blitz 360 to the Blitz Pro frame. Let's get into it. The Blitz Pro upgrade kit has a new anodized extended frame, whole mill clamps with grooves, and it also includes a 2.5mm L-shaped hex key, which is used for setting the frame and clamping blades. So first, let's take our hex key from the kit, unscrew the central screw here in the middle, and remove the alt frame. Then set a new frame, put the screw back. Then pull the flip lever towards yourself and put the frame in the lateral position. In this position, tighten the central screw. As you can see, the frame holds firmly. There are not supposed to be any gaps. Now, to move the clamps along the frame, we're gonna use our hex key. Insert it into the hole on the screw, loosen it, and move it how you want it. As you can see, it's very simple. If you have sharpeners like Blitz or Blitz 360 and you would like to upgrade them, this kit can be a great addition to your sharpener. The upgraded kit is available on our website and you can get this order within just a few days because it is in our warehouse in the United States. So guys, I would really appreciate if you put your likes below. Of course, subscribe to our channel to be aware about the latest releases of TSPROF and new excited content about sharpening. Take care and stay sharp.